Once upon a time, in a bustling classroom, there was a brilliant student named Ollie, whose intellect shone brightly in the quiet corners of academia. Despite possessing a wealth of knowledge, Ollie was held back by a veil of shyness that concealed their potential. He was afraid, if he gave a wrong response in the class, all the students would laugh at him despite knowing the correct answer. He chose to remain silent in the class. One day, a passionate teacher recognized the untapped brilliance within Ollie and decided to encourage participation. The teacher created a supportive environment, fostering open communication. Although hesitant at first, Ollie slowly began to share thoughts and ideas. With each contribution, Ollie's confidence grew. The teacher's encouragement proved transformative, and soon, Ollie became a beacon of insight within the classroom. The once muted genius had found their voice, and the entire class benefited from the newfound collaboration. As time passed, Ollie's self-assurance extended beyond academics. The student, once confined by shyness, embraced the power of expression, realizing that intelligence combined with confidence could create a formidable force. The tale of Ollie became a reminder that sometimes, all it takes is a nurturing environment to unveil the brilliance hidden within a shy but intelligent soul.